Hi, I'm Mark Olson. I am a friend of Chad and Chris, and I was the creator of Tube Blueprint, a top-selling WSO a few months ago. I got a call recently from Chad, and he told me about TubeProbe. And he told me that my TubeTracker software would be the perfect complement to his WSO, his software, and asked me if I'd be willing to offer it to his TubeProbe customers. And that's why I'm here, just by way of explanation, why this strange face is here talking to you. Let me tell you a little bit about TubeTracker. Tube Blueprint was back in end of May, sold over 3,000 copies, and a lot of action takers are still ranking videos at the top of YouTube search rankings as a result of following what I taught in Tube Blueprint. As a part of Tube Blueprint, I made this software. You see, I've been doing internet marketing for a number of years, including YouTube, but until my daughter came and asked me to help with her, she's an aspiring singer, until she came and asked me to help with her YouTube channel, I had no idea how competitive the cover video market was on YouTube. Insanely competitive, on par with anything in any of the typical internet marketing type niches, including lose weight, for example. Hugely competitive. Well, with the first cover video we tried ranking, it started out on like page 20, and it was a huge pain to try to track down where it's ranking each day, trying to track the rankings so I could see what's working, what's not. So I went out looking for a commercial YouTube search tracking application, and there was nothing, virtually nothing that worked anyway. So I decided to make my own, and that's where TubeTracker came about. It started out as a tool for tracking your rankings in YouTube search, but we have a new version that is just about to come out. It's coming out here in just a few weeks, and it's going to be at a lot higher price, by the way. But it has a huge new feature. Not only tracks your video rankings in YouTube search, but also Google video search. Let's just jump over to the software, and I'll take you on a quick run through. Here we have the settings page. The software runs on Adobe Air, so it works on both Macs and Windows computers. I run a Mac myself. It's really handy. You just leave the software open. You can minimize it down in the toolbar, and it will automatically check your rankings every day, or less frequently if you prefer. That's the auto update there. Here you specify a path where you keep your projects, and those are the projects that it automatically updates every day. You can track rankings on as many videos and as many keywords as you want. To set up a project, you just enter a URL for the video, you enter as many keywords as you want, the search depth, and click on Get Rank. We newly added, just barely added, the Google rank tracking, so it displays both where it ranks in YouTube search as well as Google video search. If you click here, it will display the list or chart of the YouTube rankings. Click on this one, and it displays the YouTube rankings. This only has one dot because we just barely added the Google rank tracking. It also, you can, well, of course, save projects, save as many projects as you want. You can export data either as a CSV file or a PDF file. If you do the PDF, you can include an image, this comes in handy if you're doing offline consulting, if you're consulting for other businesses. You can put your consulting business's logo, you can add a report header and a report summary, and those will print out along with your rankings and charts. You can also export in CSV to import the data into other programs, or put them into your client reports, for example, if you just want to get to the raw data. So there you have it, TubeTracker. We keep it updated all the time. In fact, this Google rank tracking was just the first, video tracking was just the first of a number of updates planned based on some feedback from customers, but we often do maintenance updates just to keep it working. If you purchase, we will be sending you a email with a license code. Oh, and I should mention this at the beginning of the video. Anyone who buys TubeTracker today as part of the TubeProbe WSO, I'm also going to be throwing in my Tube Blueprint training, my Tube Blueprint WSO. So there you have it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the other side.